Hi, Yashvi. Welcome to the Rankers of Ednovate, the podcast specifically for the rankers. And what an incredible achievement! You have secured AIR 25. So, how is the feeling? How is the Josh?
Unreal. Unreal experience I did not expect at all, and I'm feeling really happy. All my efforts paid off.
So great, and I think the feeling is still there. It's still euphoric moment, though the results were out few days back. But I think it will continue until you appear for your finals. So that's there. So all of you today we are here with Yashvi, primarily discuss her journey which is about pursuit of excellence, which is primarily to showcase her dedication and hard work to achieve what she has achieved as AIR 25. So let's just tune in to figure out what she has done to achieve this rank. So Yashmi, tell me, who motivated you to pursue CA? Is there someone in your family or someone who said नहीं ये तो करना ही है बेटा तुमको?
So basically, my mother motivated me. I had plans for MBBS basically, but during the COVID times, even I got scared and I was not mentally prepared for MBBS. So she motivated me, my relatives, my father, they motivated me, CA कर लो.
Okay, so that is where CA का आपको चिंगारी आई कि नहीं चलो CA कर लेते हैं. Tell me यशस्वी, I just want you to relive that moment again कि जब भी जिस दिन आपका रैंक आने वाला था उस दिन what did you do? Who were the first people whom you shared your rank with? Just tell me. I just want you to picturize that again because that's really something which I want to know.
So a night before I did not sleep at all. I was like wondering what will be my result and all. And I guess at 10:45 a.m. our results were out. I filled in the details and I clicked the submit button. I just saw two words successful, and then I shouted like, "Mummy, you passed thai gayi hai." I shouted and I started crying. Then my father also saw my result on his device and he saw my marks. And he was like, Yashvi, merit list check kar jaldi. You might be in the rankers list. I did not believe at all कि है ranker में मैं आ सकती हूँ at all. So I checked the rankers list and there was 25. So wow. I cried a lot.
So क्या हुआ मतलब successful का एक feeling था, but then when your father said and when you knew that AIR 25, तो क्या difference था वो feelings में मतलब you have to tell me, describe it now.
I hugged my parents and I was crying like a baby. Okay, all my efforts paid off. I did not expect at all my struggles, sacrifices were like fruitful.
So tell me Ashvi, I know so this is an era, I mean, and I want to take this question first from you, where there is a lot of social distractions for you all. Fortunately we were not that kind of generation, we were like kind of saved, but आपके पास Insta है, Snapchat है, OTT platforms है, everything else is a click of a button. But when you're pursuing CA, primarily CA Inter, which is your level 2, and this is also a very crucial level, what did you do to kind of just stop yourself from all these distractions, or did you kind of found a balance? I just want people to know about this before we get into other questions.
So basically I'm not that addicted to social media, like ठीक है 5 minute 10 minute okay, so that never created a problem for me. I controlled myself, like I used to only wish my friends on their birthdays and all, that's it. कोई festival हो तो festival की story and that's it. So social media did not distract me much.
So, do you think there's something, because people of your generation, you are Gen Z, right?
Yeah.
So, either I have to tell you that you are the odd person out, that you have, so I have heard a lot of rankers telling that we have kind of deleted the apps, we have put the other criteria whereby we are not distracted, right? Because they knew if they will be distracted. But you are the one who is saying me, मैं वैसे ही मैम 5-10 मिनट यूज करती थी तो मुझे तो कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं था, मैं तो थ्रू आउट एग्जाम यूज कर रही थी, बट देन आई हैव दैट कंट्रोल एंड दैट डिटर्मिनेशन कि इसके ऊपर मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. What motive? I mean, I just wanted to understand why and how. I mean, how could you do this? How?
Like I had made up my mind कि CA Inter crack तो करना है first attempt में anyhow. So I had like made like a proper limit for me कि हाँ ये करना पड़ेगा बस, that's it. So that motivated me कि फर्स्ट ट्राई में क्रैक करना ही है. So like it did not affect me much. Like I could able to control myself over social media.
Your spirituality plays an important role
Yes.
For you. Just throw on that light because kids do not speak about this, and I want kids to know that this is very, very essential. I mean, sometimes certain things which you undermine may come out of the blue and help you out. So just throw some light on that.
So my mother is very spiritual, so that a little bit of that came into me as well. And I have self control over things. If I say कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है, then I can do it. So yeah, that really helped me. Religious yoga, a little bit of meditation.
So I think, guys, she's giving you the advice what you got to do to keep yourself away from distraction, not only for clearing your exam but for your lifetime. I think thanks Yashvi. If it is coming from Gen Z, then I think even if you're the odd one out, I think a lot of people could do it because this also brings along with it depression, anxiety, stress. So great. I think Yashvi, I have got to learn this from you. During the examination, were you anxious? Were you stressful? Or you were like chilled out? Nahi, theek hai, main kar lungi.
I was very nervous. Like I used to say my father कि मुझे कुछ याद नहीं, I don't remember anything. What if I couldn't write anything? So it was very stressful. And then like after exam, I was like, wow, mast gaya paper and all.
So every exams is all the exams like 6 exams
Yes,
happen.
yes.
So great. So I think you were chilled out, and now I want to know the reason why you were chilled out. So I want you to tell students or the listeners, CA aspirants, what was your schedule, your study plan? How did you primarily study during those study leaves? What do you do so that they could also get some help and guidance on that?
So like I started my rigorous study from October month, like very focused and like 15 to 16 hours study. So like I used to wake up by 7 or something. I used to take 7 hours of sleep, a must. Like this is a must. My father used to say, if you are studying CA, take sufficient sleep. So then I used to start by 8 or something, and then I used to do first theory subjects first, and then like switch on theory and practical. So yeah, and with sufficient breaks, whenever I feel low, I used to go for a walk, like carry out my hobbies.
Yashvi, as I'm listening to you, that even when you are studying, figure out certain things which you really love a lot. Padte, there's a monotony which comes in. And you feel like, yeah, what I'm doing with my life. That is the point in time, those little passions helps you, be it music, be it walking, be it yoga, be it meditation, whatever you want to do. So I think that's what Yashvi is bringing that out कि मैंने तो बराबर से पढ़ाई की रहने. Very important point. I think all rank holders sometimes I feel think like at least this is concerned 8 hours of sleep for me. Still, in spite of being a mother, I think that's the only time I couldn't sleep for 8 hours. It's like 4 hours, 5 hours. But don't compromise on sleep because in order to have productive study, you need that. As a human, you need that 8 hours. So I think bang on. Now coming to, as I say, reverse order, coming to the question, how do you think Ednovate has helped you in order to achieve this rank? What are the features? Do you think test series helped, or is it rigorous writing practice, conceptual clarity? What are the things which paved the path for your success in CA exams?
So with Ednovate, it's always learning with fun. I enjoyed the lectures. Like there was a lot of laugh, jokes, and with a lot of learning, conceptual clarity. Professors were ready to help at any point of time. So yeah, I really enjoyed the lectures. Like I did not miss one single lecture, and that like really motivated me कि हाँ मज़ा भी आ रहा है और पढ़ाई भी हो रही है तो करते हैं.
Right. So great. So I think we are doing our jobs well. So thank you, Yashvi, because a lot of times when people of your caliber comes and tells us, we know that we have done our job well. Secondly, this is the motive behind starting Ednovate, like to change what is being so rudiment until now. Like nothing was changing. I cleared in 2007, 18 years. Nothing changed, right? But I think this is what the change we are trying to bring in. Tell me, how many papers you used to write, or you were someone who said, "नहीं मैं तो exam में ही लिख लेगी, मुझे नहीं papers लिखना है." How is it? So how important it is to do writing practice and write test papers?
I had written like 4 to 5 papers of each subject. I wrote ICI ka mock test, then few past year papers. Ednovit ki test series, I did not give it offline because of certain reasons, but I gave it at my home. Like when I was at ready, I gave Ednovit ki test series also. So it's very important for writing practice, because अगर एग्जाम में विद एन पेन नहीं चलेगा तो कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है. इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. स्पीड, राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस, हैंड राइटिंग, एवरीथिंग प्लेज अ मेजर रोल.
Okay, now you tell me. I do know that while we were talking, Yashvi, that during the study leave, it's a tough time for you, and you were not able to concentrate on your studies because you lost your grandpa. And I think certain such things do happen, do affect you because we are staying together. So how did you overcome them? I know it's a little personal question, but I still want, because this is just one event, but there are people जिनके साथ ऐसे events होते हैं and then they feel कि यार मुझे ये attempt ही नहीं देना है, या I give up. And you are an example who have shown that whatever it is, मुझे clear ही नहीं करना है पर अच्छे marks से clear करना है, और आप rank भी लेके आ गए.
So I lost my grandfather in September, and like those 15 to 20 days were very heavy for me. Like there were guests coming in, there was like a lot of sad environment, negativity, and I couldn't concentrate. Like I was looking at my books were looking at me, but there was no productivity at all. So yeah, I overcome it by my father, my mother, they both motivated me कि if you want to skip this attempt, you can. I know you are very disturbed and all. I was like, no, let me try, let me study. I'll धीरे धीरे overcome it. So yeah, then धीरे धीरे करके I did.
Okay, great. मुझे अब आप ये बताइए कि जब आप मतलब this is something which I want to ask to every individual whosoever is appearing for the exams, because I never had that habit. तो जब भी मैं पेपर दे के आती थी, लिख के आती थी, I have seen lot of my friends, they're checking the answers. I'm like, हो गया पेपर, अभी क्यों और स्ट्रेस लेना है तुमको. But they used to do that. Are you also one of those who used to do that and used to take stress कि ठीक है, हो गया ना, मेरे को इतने तो बन रहे हैं, so I'm fine with it, and then concentrate on the next subject?
I actually checked my tax के paper के MCQs, and my tax paper didn't go well. So I checked it and I was like devastated. अभी group 2 दूँ या नहीं दूँ, क्या करूँ? So I think don't do that at all. You never know what you have done, or you are overthinking a lot. So like don't check answers, because what's done is done.
Correct. So I think it's an important message which Yashvi is giving, and I will totally resonate with that. And I am someone who have never done that in my life, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत डर लगता था कि प्लीज़ पेपर दे दिया है, चेक मत करो. जब सब पेपर खत्म हो जाए और तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा है चेक करना है तो तब चेक कर लो. But I will still say what you have done is done. It's done and dusted. Don't kind of just go back, revive and feel that pain again कि क्यों गलत कर दिया, and then wasting time, because the time is crucial. लिमिटेड पीरियड है, छुट्टी 1-1.5 दिन में आपको नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट के लिए तैयारी करनी है. फोकस ऑन द नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट विदाउट फोकसिंग व्हाट यू हैव डन रॉन्ग. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा अपन लोग कभी कभी वो फ्रेम में चले जाते हैं ना, तो इट किल्स यू. तो शायद हो सकता है अगर आप वैसा सोचते तो ग्रुप 2 ही नहीं दे पाते, मतलब रिमेनिंग पेपर्स ऑफ दैट. सो यशवी, आई वॉन्ट यू टू गिव मी, not give me actually, I want you to give one advice to all CA aspirants, or maybe couple of advice, something which you felt made a difference for you. It may be bullet points 1, 2, 3, just do that. You can elaborate as much as possible because the world is listening to you right now.
First is consistency. It's really important that you are consistent with your studies, productivity, and conceptual clarity. Memory plus conceptual clarity plays a great role in CA exams. Your concepts must be strong, then only you can tackle any kind of questions. Then I would say don't overthink at all. I am an overthinker. Don't overthink, just believe in yourself. Don't self-doubt at all. Just keep on going, even if your sums are going wrong, or you are feeling that something is not going right. Just don't stop. Keep on going.
I kind of review your entire discussion. It's about more about, I will say, I'll kind of repeat: consistency, focus, self-determination, self-power, believe in yourself, have that confidence, do not panic, and sometimes leave things to God. I think अपना best करने के बाद बस छोड़ देना चाहिए भगवान को. I think that's the crux. What Yashvi has given you, and I think all of you should be doing that. This is also my mantra of life, is that जब सब मेहनत कर ली और अपना बेस्ट दे दिया. I think this is the best you could give. Even if you fail, I think you will never have any regrets in your life because you have given your best. जब आप बेस्ट नहीं देते हो तभी रिग्रेट्स होते हैं लाइफ में. सो आई थिंक great. I'm very very happy because somewhere all the rankers, I think I have realized there is one common bond. They're spiritual. They have a similar thought process. They're very determined, very confident, and they believe in themselves. So Rashmi, we are moving on to the next round of our podcast, which is the rapid fire, and with that we'll close this podcast with you. Quickly you have to tell me, and then you'll get a hamper after that if you'll answer all the questions correctly. Mummy or Papa?
Dono.
You have to choose one.
Mummy.
Okay. First person whom you shared your rank with?
Papa.
Papa only checked it, right?
Yes.
Your success is because of parents, Ednovate, yourself, all of the above.
All of the above.
Thank you so much for that. One person whom you admire the most?
Parents.
CA or medicine?
CA.
Tough choice to make. No, so thanks so much, Yashvi. It's a pleasure to host you today for our rankers of Ednovate. And you have won the hamper because it was very quick, just like all the answers were. And let's just close this. Wishing you all the luck. May God bless you. And I'm sure I'm looking forward for AIR in CA final as well from you. All supports, whatever you want, and we are here to help you.
Thank you so much.